My topic is Sudan governance crisis for 14 years since the fall of regime Omar al-Bashir in Sudan. Two groups have been fighting to each other, rival forces. We can say tribal forces as well as rapid security forces, both parliamentary forces as well as rapid security forces have been fighting to each other. Civil war is being continued. So, in Sudan crisis, one thing is main issue, which is gold smuggling, and other side, second issue is corruption. Corruption is destroyed to maintain law and order. Before 14 years ago, Omar al-Bashir dismissed as a parliament, armed forces, police forces. After the fallout of Omar al-Bashir, started civil war in Sudan. Nowadays, in Darfur, the large number of peoples are killed by parliamentary forces, as well as in Zamzam camp, many peoples are killed. So, peoples have been shifted from one place to another. Peoples have been migrated from one place to another. Peoples are displaced from one place to another. The USA supports to the UAE, United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates supplies weapons to the rapid security forces. Rapid security forces use weapons on the South Sudan government. So, in Sudan, clash is running, battle is underway. The UNO General Secretary Antony Blinken says that in Sudan, both parties should work, get together. Although tribal group is ruling, as well as 6 political parties are outside. So, UAE assured to the Antony Blinken that it will not do more going for the favor of rapid security forces. UAE will not supply weapons to the rapid security forces. So, meanwhile, Donald Trump says that few days are remained in his taking over in swearing of the USA presidentship. After president, when he will become the president of USA, he will impose sanctions, supply weapons to the UAE. So Antony Blinken says that both parties, ruling government as well as 6 political parties should work, get together. They should maintain law and order. They should maintain peace. This is the responsibility of Sudan public. Still, this is not possible. But if Antony Blinken will impose sanctions on both parties, rapid security forces, ruling governments, economical sanctions, weapons sanctions, USA will not support to the UAE for supplying weapons. It is possible that law and order will be imposed, democracy will be maintained, education will be running, election will be held. So, this is the main function of ruling government as well as rapid security forces. Today's clash is running Zamzam camp. Many peoples have been shifting from Zamzam camp. Ruling government or rapid security forces missile launching to each other, drone attacks to each other, gun firing to each other. They should peace. They should make peace. We will have to wait. We will have to consider about what will happen. So, I hope, inshallah, peace will be maintained in Sudan by the Antony Blinken, UN General Secretary. See you again. News emerged by Hafiz Ghulam Shabir Nanajo, City Gambit from Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.